Yeah, take two.
Short update. We're done with the polishing part. Everything here, we got 3 stages of polishing. We got to compound it, polish it afterwards. The chromes, we polish it too. We're gonna go into ceramic coat now. We did the prep already with the last touch. We're gonna apply the System X Pro Plus, and we're gonna the ceramic coating is done already on the top though. We did it already with the same thing, same product. So if you guys asking why it's expensive to have your car ceramic coated, it's a lot of work. This stays in our shop for 4 days. It's gonna be delivered tomorrow. It came here last Tuesday. We have to polish it and we have to apply the ceramic coating. Ceramic coating itself is expensive. So the product itself is expensive. In service, takes a lot of time to work on it. But if you can see, all the paint now, we did Toro, compounded and ceramic coat polish on it. And by the way, this track is a special edition by Overholland. This is on episode 100. So you could see it on YouTube. This is a special collectible tracks. We did the back here. So everything mostly done. It's just a ceramic coating. I'll keep you up to date. Tomorrow, we're going to deliver this track. Finally, we're gonna get our customer very happy with this work of art that we did. Have a great day, guys.